sexual plant propagation. Cutting is separated portion of root, stem, or leaf. It is very common method employed for artificial vegetative propagation. First, take away the leaves and the cutting branches of the miracle fruit. Second, plant the miracle fruit branch in the potted soil. Then, water the plant.